Hi, I'm Will and welcome to Venture to Rome. And today we're talking about this pop-up fire pit. This is the Fireside Outdoor pop-up pit. It's a pop-up fire pit that you break down into a bag. It's portable, you can take it with you wherever you go, and then you can put up a fire pit. For those of us who do a lot of dispersed camping, you might be asking yourself, why in the heck would I need to have a pop-up fire pit? There's always a fire ring. Well, I'll tell you what, we were just on a winter overlanding trip, and I was so happy to have this because we were at camp, everything was covered in snow, and we could get this fire started no problem and have it up above the snow closer to us for more heat, and it just burned cleaner and less smoke. There are lots of other applications where this makes sense, but I can tell you we really liked it this last trip. So it's pretty easy to set up here. We've got a heat shield and then the main components here. I'll show you how they go together. Unroll it and you've got the base. It just easily kind of pops right there. And then the heat shield goes on next. Velcro straps, you put around each corner. And then really the base of it is this screen. This is what holds most of the weight, and it's surprisingly sturdy. And it just pops over these 4 corner pegs. And then the rest is just the frame, kind of keeps the wood in, and it goes on just as easy as everything else, just kind of slides over those pegs. All right, let me just take you through what I like and what I don't like. So the first thing that I like about it is that it's so portable. It packs down into this bag, it's very light, it's all aluminum pieces, and it's really easy to both carry to the campsite and to pack in the back of my Jeep. The second thing that I really like about this is that it's deceivingly big. It can hold a ton of wood. So I like that you can build a big fire and a small fire in this thing. The other thing that I like about this is even when you have set it up, you can still move it. So if you've got your campfire in the wrong spot, a little too close to your tent, or you just want to move it for whatever reason, you can move it around and your campfire can be wherever you need it at camp, which is pretty great. Here's what I don't like about it. When it's time to pack up camp, it can be a little bit of a mess. Let me show you what I mean. So let's say we're packing up camp, all this wood has been burned, and what you have in here is a mound of ashes. So it breaks down really, really easily and quickly, but then all the ash is still right here. So what you need to do is like get it off without getting any ash on yourself. And I'll tell you what, I have failed at that task miserably. So my final thought on this Fireside Outdoor pop-up pit is that it's really portable, it's really light, and it can be really useful. I got this pop-up fire pit from exploreoutdoorsus.com. It's an online overlanding retailer based in Hood River, Oregon. I'm not sponsored by them. We have no formal relationship whatsoever. The reason I bought it from them is because they take a portion of everything that they sell and they donate it to fight kids' cancer. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a little bit about this pop-up fire pit. If you want more content from Venture to Rome, just click on the link on the screen right now. And remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.